This is Cesar Cortes Climaco, one of the greatest Zamboangueños who ever lived, the brave brother and writer, Valiente Hermano y Escritor. We Zamboangueños should know that Climaco did not only serve the people of Zamboanga City, but also the entire republic. During the turbulent years of the Marcos regime, he was the bulwark of the voices of the opposition against the dictator when he served as our city mayor. Despite the firm hand of the dictatorship, he bravely opposed it by consistently writing letters to Malacañang and the military, condemning its corrupt acts. He recognized the bravery of the slain Senator Ninoy Aquino, whom he honored by leading the tying of yellow ribbons around the city to protest his assassination. Many followed his lead, energizing the opposition. During the 1984 Batasang Pambansa elections, he won the seat for Zamboanga City, but refused to sit, proving his bravery against Marcos. Climaco exuded charisma. He attracted children to him like a caring grandfather. He used his charm to energize the people to fight for good governance and social development. The people in return answered with a loud roar. When the nation mourned Ninoy Aquino, Climaco did not back down and asked his people to rise and demand accountability. The people never failed to answer his call, as many flocked to him, as he remained a thorn in the dictator's chair. He called out to the military and the police for the unanswered numerous crimes committed in the city. Little did he know, he would join those numbers as he was shot at the back of his neck 40 years ago today. To our fellow Filipinos and Zamboangueños, let us not forget who Cesar Climaco is, a brave brother and writer, un valiente hermano y escritor. His legacy lives on. Cesar Cortes Climaco.